This is the review for question number 2 in your review packet. Turn to question number 2. As I start to go through this question, I'm asked, what type of weather change will occur with an increase in air pressure? All right, I got to go back and think about air pressure. Air pressure measured by a barometer. I have two types of readings, low and high. I know that low means lousy weather, which equals rain. And I know that high equals happy weather. And by that I mean cool and sunny. Let's go through and see which one of these seems to fit. Number 1, cooler and drier. Okay, well, low seems to talk about rain. High seems to talk about happy and sunny weather. I like this question. I'm going to say that's definitely a maybe. Colder, well, that fits this. And rainier, unfortunately, that fits the low pressure reading. That would not be an increase. An increase means you're going up, not down. So it would be higher. Increase is a way to say higher. So B cannot be the answer. Hotter and stormier. Well, again, we have rain, and lousy means rain or storm, so that doesn't fit. And we also said cool. One of the misconceptions is that the H stands for hot. However, if you look at it when you're looking at the weather on the news, the H is typically a big blue H, which stands for cooler weather that is coming in. So that cannot be it. And we can go ahead and say warmer and moister. Well, this is cool, sunny, and dry. That can't be the answer. Your best answer is cooler and drier.